Pero I don't say it to their faces. Because it's just natural for me to feel that way kasi kalaban ko yun eh. Pero it's not natural and it's unethical to voice it out na parang ikaw na yung pinakamagaling sa buong mundo. Di ba? Dunning-Kruger. Well, ganun naman. Most of the time kasi, no, if you are not in your proper headspace, you become a lawyer, you get in there, if you don't actually have any experience, extensive experience in trial, you will think you know. You will think you know a lot until you get hit by many humble pies sa mukha. Babanatan ka ng mga humble pie sa mukha.